So May was super busy, as you guys saw with these vlogs here. And here is what happened in between those moments. Enjoy.
So Tesla thinks we're driving off the map. It's very confused. We're driving on the road, as you can clearly see. Thoughts?
Concerned.
Oh, we're gonna turn. Oh, it's back. Oh, it fixed itself. I was like, we're gonna turn and it's gonna think we're going south.
This is crazy. Hey, I guess we're back.
All right, we're back. If you're wondering what that panting is, it's this girl. Get closer to his ear, Ellie. Wait, it's saying you're going backwards. The glare is so bad. Oh no, I can't see because oh here.
How am I going backwards?
Oh, it's going forward again, right?
Yeah, it's going
Oh
forward
my
again.
god. Tesla, you need to fix your navigation.
What the hell? I feel like it doesn't really come across on camera. But you can't see the other side at all, so I guess that's something. You know what else is creepy? Yeah, the water's like still. Alright, so Amy was very sneaky and then booked the hotel room for the wedding day.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And now I'm going to react to it. Whoa!
Wait for it. Wait, why is it
Yeah,
not
view all.
No, let me swipe it. But this was the only one. Oh no! What happened? This was the only one that had a mirror like this. Like a normal mirror. But
Can you screenshot that? I'm gonna put the screenshot right here.
Here, if I press on it, they can see the whole room. That's why I didn't want to press it like this. Oh, here, look. This is the bathroom. But this was the only room where the mirror is like this. Every other room, the mirror is a little circle. I'm like, how am I supposed to do makeup in a room where the mirror is a little circle?
That is...
Look, every other room, the mirror is like this. It's just this little thing. So this was the only option.
Interesting.
None of the other ones even show a picture of the freaking bathroom.
I see why you wanted to see my reaction because that's.
See, I kind of wanted you to see it in person and be like, what the hell? But then I couldn't wait.
I think I'm still gonna be like, what the hell?
Also, if you came up across it on your own, I would have been like, damn, my surprise is ruined.
Fair.
So what are your thoughts?
Thank you. Thank you.
There's so much room in the bathroom.
Yeah,
for me to get ready. Well, cause I realized we're gonna get ready like in our clothes later, right?
Yeah.
Like the 2 hours before, but we could be in the same place when we're getting like hair and makeup done, probably.
True. Just have the wedding
Literally,
in there.
I think the room and the bathroom are the same size.
Yeah, I think we just have the wedding in there.
I think, but because we're booking like 2 nights, right? We could have an after party in there for sure. For sure. We could have an after party.
Well, that is the room.
I could see someone spraying champagne in there. Look at, there's like a dome. There's a dome on top of the bathtub.
All right, can't wait to see it in person. Crazy.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right, we will. I don't know what will come next. See you in the next clip.
We're stuck now. You're shook.
Oh, it stopped. We're good. See, we're at 1.
What's it gonna sleep?
That's what I was saying earlier. See, I told you it is this one. This is the one that I was. I bought the steak.
In front of. Let's go in the car.
All right. So just to reiterate, there is a meat truck behind Amy right
I
there.
think you need to flip. Yeah, Johan saw this on Facebook.
Yep. 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 And
They said they're from Missouri.
if you want to look in the back, we did get it.
Unboxing video later.